Hello, Madeira families. It's Kenji Matsuda, Superintendent at Madeira City Schools, and we are all ready to our fourth Madeira Family Fun Night of the school year. Now, these are our intentional times as a school community to come together to spend time with the most important people in our lives, our families. We're giving you that time on an ordinary school night this coming Wednesday, April the 16th, where we would love for you to just spend time with your kid. Play a board game, go out to a movie, make dinner, go bowling, go for ice cream, do anything other than homework this Wednesday, April the 16th. Now, if you can do us a favor and send us a pic of your special memory and send it to familyfun@madeiracityschools.org, we would love to capture your moment and send it back to you in a short video. Whether you're an elementary school parent or a high school senior parent, these memories go by so quick. And so we want to be intentional this coming Wednesday and making sure that we put our families first. And as always, go Madeira.